Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to find and equip the perfect skybox for your game. Finding the right skybox can completely change the atmosphere of your game, and that is why selecting the appropriate one is so important. To start, enter your Roblox Studio instance. If your toolbox is not opened, go to the top of your screen, click Home, and click Toolbox. It should show up on the left of your screen, but it can be different if you have altered its position before. Once you have your toolbox opened, change the search filter to plugins and search up SKYBOX. Install a plugin called SKYBOX Manager made by this user. Next, go to plugins on the top of your screen and find the SKYBOX plugin that you just installed. Click it, and you will see these 5 buttons appear on the bottom of your screen. Depending on your game, the skybox you want will be very different. You can click the mountain button on the bottom of your screen, and then click through the different skyboxes until you find one you like that also matches with your game. You can also change how the sun and moon looks. To test the moon, change the time to night by going to Lighting, then Properties, and searching up Time. When you are finished selecting your skybox, you can go back to the plugin at the top and click it again to remove the buttons from the bottom of your screen. For my game, since there's a floating moon, I will try to find a space-themed sky and a cool moon to match. This sky seems pretty cool. To playtest, let's hit play at the top left. As you can see, the skybox works perfectly, and the skybox actually matches what I made, making my game feel more immersive and look more well put together. If that helped you, like and subscribe, and comment what skybox you used and what game you are making.